Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we are going to show you how to remove and replace light bulb on a Ford Fiesta. It's the same for the Fiesta ST and regular Fiesta as well. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. We'll actually put LED light bulbs, pretty good stuff. And also don't forget to check out our main channel. We have amazing builds there. We have that Fiesta ST build that we're working on, and also we have that Scion that we're working on as well, and that's the second build for the channel. Alright guys, now the low beam light bulb is this one here. That's high beam and that's the turn signal bulb. So you can replace the high beam and the turn signal without removing the headlight. You might be able to do the low beam as well, but not so easy. So what we need to do for the high beam, you unscrew that cap, and that's where the bulb is now located. So it's pretty simple to access from right here. Okay, right there. Now so you just push in on top and bottom, and that's the light bulb. Okay, right there. That's where you push right there. And never touch the bulb with your fingers, the glass part. And all you need to do, just pull it out guys, and that's the bulb right here. And if you need to see what size and what number, hopefully you can see it right here. And you just install it the same way that we took it apart. Okay, you push it in like that, and now all we have to do, just go in the hole and you push until it clicks. Okay, it clicked there, it's ready. All you gotta do, just install the cap now. Make sure you get it tight so water doesn't get in. And if you want to do the turn signal bulb, okay, it's right there on the bottom, and you turn clockwise about 30 degrees. Okay, and that's the turn signal light bulb. You just push it out, pull it out, put a new one, replace it, and then you just go the same way, but now we go clockwise, counterclockwise about 30 degrees. And if you need to replace the low beam light, stay with us. We will show you how to actually install really nice LED light bulbs and where to get them. Okay, we need to remove that clip right here for the light. You unscrew the middle part, and then you pull the rest of it out. And now with the T30 start looking big, we need to remove that bulb right here and the one on top as well. Because you can see there is almost no room, so it's almost impossible to replace the low beam light. If you have very small hands you might be able to, but we'll remove it so we can show you exactly how it is. Okay, right there now, and you can see that's a headlight. Now if you need to remove and replace the whole headlight, all you need to do, just disconnect the cable. Okay, and that's how you remove the headlight too guys, so if you need to. And now that's where the low beam light bulb is, right here in the back. And in order to replace that, you just put that rubber seal. You need to now disconnect it first, okay, because otherwise you might not be able to pull it out. And you need to turn, you can see counterclockwise, okay, and that's the bulb right here. So we'll be replacing it with a LED light bulb now, and it's awesome company. I'll show you what they look like, and you can check out later how much better that thing is. Okay, right here. We already installed one of them on the other side, but we want to show you how to do this one. It comes with the instructions and everything, but it's pretty simple, you just plug and play. Okay, now we need to just go ahead and install this one the same way we did the other one. It just goes in the slots, and we need to turn it clockwise this time. Okay, all we got to do now, just turn it clockwise. Okay, you can see like that, and you connect it just the same way you connect the regular bulb. It's very good design, and you'll be surprised how bright that thing is at night. Okay, you push it until it clicks. It's really tight, which is good because that way water and moisture will not go in it. Okay, you need to put them there, and now we need to install the cover, and we need to put the headlight back together just the same way we took them apart. Okay, we'll show you need to go in an angle, otherwise you won't be able to do it. So don't forget to connect the wires, guys, and now you need to go on the front first. You need to go in an angle in the bumper here, because there is actually a few things holding the bumper there. Okay, like that, and then you can just install the clip, the two bolts, and stay with us to see how bright that thing is now. Alright guys, let's check out how bright that thing is now. Okay, let's turn them on and see. Alright, look at that thing, beautiful, beautiful blue light. It's so bright. Okay, check it out now. That's what it is. Two of them, they just work amazing. Okay, we definitely recommend them, and they're definitely worth the buy. I mean, it's such a big difference at night. Okay, you can see. Okay, now that's the original high beam light bulbs. Okay, and now you can see with the low beams with the LEDs how much brighter they're than the high beams. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.